Well, good afternoon, it's Peter Boulton. Well, that was interesting. I've just been at an event hosted by the Institute of Directors down here at the port of Dover. And really the point of the exercise was called Navigating Brexit. And of course, none of us really know what's going to happen as far as Brexit is concerned. But it's good to hear people's opinions and different business leaders with different ideas on what would be the impact of Brexit on businesses, should it happen, or even if it doesn't happen. So that was really my afternoon, to talk through and discuss and debate and listen to some of the people that perhaps are in the know and have better knowledge of what the impact of Brexit would be. And I think it's left me in the same position that I was when I arrived, knowing that really it's about opinions, and everybody has an opinion about what's going to happen, but we'll only really know as the time moves further forward and we find out in due course what's actually going to happen. And then we need to try and be prepared for that, obviously, and we'll react to it accordingly.